We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting words whose pronunciations vary between British English and American English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. In British English, this is usually said as aesthete, aesthete. In American English, however, it is normally pronounced as aesthete, so a stronger emphasis on the second syllable in American English and an us sound at the beginning. Aesthete in American English versus aesthete in British English. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words in English whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.